the enormous magma chamber, entire mountains collapse into the magma chamber of the Yellowstone supervolcano. The Yellowstone supervolcano has been a source of apocalyptic fascination for years, and it's easy to see why. Yellowstone is one of only a handful of supervolcanoes worldwide, each at least 7 times larger than Mount Tambora, which had the largest volcanic eruption in history. Yellowstone is believed to be the largest of them all. It has erupted 3 times before: 2.1 million years ago, 1.3 million years ago, and 640,000 years ago. The last eruption is believed to be 1,000 times larger than the devastating eruption of Mount St Helens in 1980. Yellowstone's last eruption created a depression, known as a caldera, which was 55 kilometers by 80 kilometers wide. The next eruption is predicted to cause mass damage. A 2014 paper in Geochemistry, Geophysics, Geosytems found that the volcano was capable of burying states including Idaho and Colorado in 3 feet of volcanic ash. With eruptions occurring at intervals of roughly 660,000 years, some argue Yellowstone is because of eruptions. The Yellowstone supervolcano explores the impact of the last eruption and the risks posed by future eruptions. Just below the caldera of the last eruption is a magma chamber, filled with a magma plume that stretches for about 465 miles. Although most rock is solid, it has the potential to melt. Magma rises through the clumps into the magma chamber at a rate of 2 inches per year. One scientist says, "This restless Yellowstone caldera is really alive, breathing. And once in a while, he burps." Anxiety began to arise as the lump began to melt and move upwards at a faster speed. Geologist Jake Lowenstern told the documentary, "Natural systems can make us like curved balls. Many things can happen that we are not really prepared for." Mr. Lowenstern looked for patterns in the 3 previous eruptions. He continued, "In the 2 very large eruptions at Yellowstone, so much material was released, the entire mountain range eventually fell to the ground and basically disappeared." John Beach added that the 50-mile stretch of mountains simply disappeared by collapsing into the magma chamber. The latest eruption ejected about 1,000 cubic kilometers of rock, ash and volcanic ash into the atmosphere.